Hey everybody, we are cooking again, and today we are doing something a little special. We have baby back ribs, 2 slabs. One slab's gonna be bacon wrapped. We're gonna hit it with the mustard, hit it with some chicken rub that we already had in the cabinet. Stay tuned, this is what we're doing today. It's gonna be fun, y'all. All right, everybody, welcome to I Am Cooking Again, another edition. Like I said earlier, we're doing baby back ribs, 1 slab wrapped with bacon, 1 slab slow smoked with the rub. But let's do the first stage that a lot of people don't know, a lot of people don't do. We're gonna pull the membrane off the back. And the thing about it, with the baby back, it's actually pretty easy, which I found. So all you wanna do is get a knife, usually a butter knife, but even a steak knife, like this little steak knife. You get this, you get up under there. Because a lot of people don't pull that membrane. And you say, oh, well, it's not bad, but why not? Sometimes you can do it without the paper towel. I have some paper towels over here. And we're just gonna pull that up. Uh-oh, trouble. Sounds crispy. All right, so I'm gonna get the paper towel. Use it if you got it, all right? Just a little, and just pull that membrane off. Pull it out. Get it up out of there. All right, I'm gonna put it right here for now. I'm gonna get a little more on the other side. Okay. That membrane out of there. And this works better usually with a butter knife, but whatever. This channel, we do what we do, you know what I mean? We make it work. All right, get under there. And pull that membrane off. That's a barrier to, you know, especially when you put a rub on it, that's a barrier. Because that's not gonna cook through. So we'll get the other slab real quick, once again. I'm fighting y'all. I'm fighting for y'all, okay? For the regular cooks. No fancy cooking here. Regular people stuff. See, a lot of channels, they edit this out right here. This is what they edit. Right here, they edit. It's a little, you know, it's a little tedious sometimes. We got, a new towel. It's a little tedious. All right. That's what you're gonna do? That's what y'all gonna do? All right. A little tedious, but see, you got it right here. You get a good handful of it. There you go. Telling me no again. There you go. There you go. Get that off the oven, please. Thank you. All right, y'all. So these are ready to go. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do the first step. Put a binder on it, a little mustard. Shout out to Malcolm Reeves, How to Barbecue Right. He taught me this. My rib game was a 4. My lady T behind the camera says, no, it was a 2. He brought me up to an 8, all right? With 1, pulling the membrane, and 2, putting this binder on. So we're gonna put the binder on, and not a lot, just the mustard. And you say, well, who puts mustard on there? You don't taste it, but it makes your season stick to it, which is a genius idea. He's a competition rib guy, you know, great cook. I learned a lot from him on the grill game, all right? So we have that. Rinse my hand off a little bit. All right, and we're gonna go with this, just a rub I found in the supermarket. Like I said, whatever you have in your cabinet. If you have, you might just have salt, pepper, and garlic. Do salt, pepper, and garlic. You know what I mean? Gonna get that on there. Not gonna rub it. Learn that too. I used to rub it in there, y'all. Don't rub it in. As they say, don't rub it in. Like the kids say, don't rub it in. All right, we got salt, pepper, and garlic. Excuse me, we got rub. Get that on there, y'all. All right, and I think this one I'm gonna wrap it with the bacon. Just see what happens. All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right, everybody. As you can see, with your rub, you want it to get in the glistening stage, and it's glistening. It's been sitting here for 15 minutes. And as I promised, we have a bacon weave here that we're gonna put on the baby back ribs. And it's gonna be something different, something you've probably never seen before, and something you might not should see. I don't know. All right, y'all, we'll be back. All right, everybody, welcome back. We are gonna do a bacon weave on a rib, something you've never seen before. All right, so what you're gonna do, you put your 3 bacon strips there, you pull one side back a little bit, and we're gonna put a bacon slice here, and we're gonna wrap it around. All right? All right, we're gonna pull this up, then we're gonna pull the other sides, 2 bacon sides up like that. Oh, watch out there, watch out, be careful, y'all. This is dangerous. Nobody does this. All right, nobody's doing this. All right, then we pull it back. Pull it forward, pull it back. Pull it forward. Oh, that's somebody else. Never mind. All right, y'all. We're doing bacon weave. Bacon weave, like I said, it's brand new. Nobody's doing bacon weave ribs. Put another slice right there. Bam. Look at that. All right, some of y'all say, you ain't got enough bacon to make it through the whole thing. It don't matter. It don't matter. Black lives matter. Sometimes. All right, y'all. You gonna have some fun though. Try something new, man. All right, y'all. We got the bacon. How many slices I got left? 3. All right. So we got the weave on the rib. Like I said, something down there. Nobody's seen it before. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Look at you. Look at you. Nobody has that. We're gonna do these slices. Old school. We're gonna put them in the bottom. Just gonna wrap them. Wrap them old school style. All right. Another slice from the strength. Disclaimer, if you are a Nation of Islam person, a 5%er, this might not be for you. I'm just saying. It's a lot of, you know, but you know, everybody's different, you know. If you're in the Nation, respect, you know, God body, let's get it. But this might not, this ain't for you. All right? And we're gonna hit it back with the rub again on top of the bacon. I'm gonna hit it again. All right, y'all? Like I said, stuff you got in your closet. If you want to take that rub off the side, use it. It's high out here, man. It's bad out here, man. Use your stuff. All right, guys. We putting this on the pit. The other one's on the pit. We'll see you as we start getting some bone retention. We're going to be back in a moment. Thank you. All right, everybody. We have the bacon wrapped ribs. We have the regular ribs. This looks delicious, y'all. We're going to get down with it. You know what I mean? And thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. We are making stuff that people don't make, y'all. All right? Easy. You know what I mean? Not the hard stuff, a lot of ingredients. We getting it down. All right? Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.